So good morning folks, hope you're all doing well. I'm just up a wee ride on the bike, and this is me at Loch Lomond. I've been stuck behind a trail of traffic the whole way up. It's cleared off a little bit now. That way when there was a gap, there was always something coming the other way. Forget it, no rush, just crack on. But it's reasonably quiet actually, the road, so I'm quite surprised. More so going the other way. What's the Firkin point? Firkin point. Gonna have to Google that and see what that is. That's awesome, isn't it? Wow, it's pretty hot. Oh, excuse me. Right, check my bearings while having a smoke break. Catch you in a bit. Truly breathtaking. The roads have been pretty awesome as well, in fact. Very, very smooth and grippy at certain points there. You can actually feel the grip underneath you. Warm, smooth tarmac, grippy tyres, I guess. Good recipe. I'd swear when I was down at the ABR and I took the F850GS Adventure out for a test ride, I'd swear that's the warmest road ride I've ever had. It was like 26 degrees or something like that. And I was out on a bike with around 600 miles on it. But it sounded amazing. It didn't even have the Acra on it. It was just the standard exhaust, which looks exactly the same as the one I've got lying in the work that was originally on this, that came with this bike. So I thought, how can that sound so different? But then I realised it's a completely different engine, isn't it? So that's why. So I've tried to replicate that with the cat bypass and this Acra that's on it, and I'm quite impressed. It was worth the £30 for the cat bypass. It's like, that's cheap as chips, you know. In fact, you'll probably pay more for a portion of chips at the ABR than that. It wasn't that bad. Although I think I seen it $7.50 for chips and cheese at one place. Ridiculous. I was talking to a guy that used to have a snack van, and I was asking him if he ever done these sort of events with his snack van, and he reckoned they pay, I'm sure he said it was 30,000 to have a snack van at what was Tea in the Park back in the day, and they tell you exactly how much you have to charge for all your items. So down at the ABR it was pretty similar. The prices, there was maybe 50p between certain things, but virtually all the same prices. Oh, I've got an itchy nose. Oh, itchy nose means I'm going to get angry. There we go, all good. But no, I never actually ate much when I was away the weekend at the ABR. We got a McDonald's breakfast. Don't know what time that was, maybe about 6 in the morning or something on the way down. Then at night time, started drinking actually before I had anything else to eat, which was a bad move. I think I had a pint or two before I had ended up having a portion of chips. That's all I had all day on the Friday. Then Saturday we got up, I got a rolling sausage and cheese. It was like, I'm sure it was $6.50 for a roll with 2 links and a slice of Kraft cheese on it. Again, it wasn't even a roll, it was a brioche bun. It's lovely. Then I can't even remember what we had later on that night. But everybody seemed happy with their grub anyway. They certainly had a fair enough variety there to please everyone, really. Although I'm terrible, I'm a real fuss eater. Which is annoying. It's annoying for me and it's all my fault. It really stinks here of seaweed. Oh well, that was a pleasant day out. Sadly I lost my bearings. I did say on camera I was going to check at one point and I don't think I did. I just carried on towards Campbelltown thinking I'll see a sign for open for Dunoon. I thought you sort of headed for open and cut across or something. I can't remember, but not to worry. So I shall leave you at this, folks. Peace out, take it easy, and cheers for watching. Never a wasted day out on a bike, to be fair. I was going nowhere special in Dunoon, but I just thought somewhere cool to go, somewhere new. That just means I'll need to try again another day. Take it easy, cheers, peace. Well, that was good. Not done much filtering on this. Stay confident, keep looking ahead. I find you need to look ahead, like in the distance and just in front of you as well, because cars are very, in fact, car drivers are very unpredictable. It's not the car's fault.
So take it easy, folks. Cheers for watching. Take care.